Shipping a car from the United States to Zambia involves specific logistics, costs, and documentation. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know, from typical shipping costs, transport options, to import regulations. Shipping a vehicle to Zambia generally costs between $3,500 and $6,800. Due to Zambia being landlocked and having limited access to nearby seaports, prices are higher compared to those in some other African countries. Costs and delivery times vary by origin city in the U.S. Shipping times range from 40 to 48 days, including ocean transit and inland transport to the final destination. There are two main freight options. Container shipping offers maximum protection and allows personal items to be stored inside the container. Roll-on/roll-off, or RoRo, is cheaper and quicker, but your vehicle must be empty except for essential tools. Shipping to South Africa is more complex due to strict import laws. Used vehicles must be at least 25 years old to qualify, and official permits are required. Would you be able to ship your vehicle to Zambia? Contact A1 Auto Transport for a free, no-obligation quote. We handle everything, from paperwork to delivery, making your international vehicle shipments smooth and worry-free.